Is starting a new life in a different country a good idea? Should I leave my job? What about my family, my friends, my dog, my home? How will my life look in 3 years, in 5, in 10? So many questions, but change is not a decision.
Hello, I'm Lígia Fontes, I'm Brazilian, and I believe that real transformation starts when you challenge what's comfortable. I left my previous job as brand manager at Sorvetes Nestlé in Brazil to move to Australia. And now I'm here studying a master in artificial intelligence in business at Jain. Here I studied subjects as machine learning, data visualization, economics, accounting, programming, mathematics, a lot of things, not as theory, but as tools to make better decisions, build smarter strategies, and create a real impact in the world. You know, when you learn something and you can actually see how to use it in the real world, I love it, and that's exactly what's happening here. Just weeks after starting the master, I joined Occuby, an Australian startup, where I work as marketing intern. I work with data analysis, technology, and strategy, combining my past experience with the future I'm building.
Jain is globally recognized for excellence and real-world impact.
This journey in a multicultural city like Sydney is only just beginning. And you know, I'm super excited to see where it leads. Bye, thank you.